And I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add graph in the Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is go in this element option. Let's tap in graph, and yeah, let's go all the way down. These are also like this graph chart and stuff. Let's say like line graph, and see, these are the photos. We have this over here. So yeah, you can also customize this by smoothing this, or like if you chop it again, then it will be more angular. I like it more smoother. So these are the line weights, how thick you want the line to be, or like you can make it at the dot. Yeah, and these are like the marker, and the marker to be like the circle, square, or like the star one. You can customize this to your own preference. You can also like type in the data over here. Suppose item 1, let's say sunny. I'm gonna make it more like the, I don't know, I'm typing like random weather is. So it could be anything. I'm just giving the idea over here. You can fill in the data over here and it will come up right here. Likewise, if you want to edit this one, you can type here like the temperature 20 or something like that. As you can see, this one like increase, finish 60. I don't know, I'm typing random numbers over here. But if you want to add more, you can go it like this. You can also add the data from Google Sheet over here. Yeah, so this is how you add graph in the Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.